Hey Chad, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you for speaking with me briefly today. I know you were in a hurry, but I appreciate that. And I'm glad that you requested this video. So today I'm going to show you a few tips that you can apply right away to increase your online presence and start getting more organic leads. The first thing to mention is that 70% of your organic leads stem from your website. So it is very important that your website be fully optimized so that you can be found for your services in each of your service areas. So as you can see, we're on your website. Looks like you have a different page for each of your services, which is great. If you service outside of Los Angeles, which I believe you do, um, you're going to need a separate page for each of your service areas. Let's see. A little bit of content. I am not seeing in surrounding areas. Yes. So you're going to need a separate page for every community that you service that has any type of search volume so you can be found in those areas. Um, You do have a little bit of content on your page, but there aren't any local buyer intent keywords going on. Let's see. Yeah. So each of these that you're mentioning here really needs their own page. Um, just listing them alone will not necessarily get you found for those services. So, um, let's see here. Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They rank websites based on content. So it is very important that your content on your homepage to be a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, and that your content is built around your buyer intent keywords. So, buyer intent keywords, those are the keywords that people are actively searching for in Google for the services that you offer. And they're going to be keywords that are local. So you should have like Los Angeles water damage restoration and things like that. Um, the rule of thumb is you need 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. And the same goes for all your back pages. You need to make sure that you have 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target and that each page has their own unique content. That is also very important. Um, this is one of your top competitors in Los Angeles. They don't have a great website. Um, they have a little bit of content. They have more keyword usage. That's pretty much it. They look like they service the same areas, but they are also missing the boat on having those service area pages. You guys are missing out on quite a bit of potential customers by not having those pages built. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of your pages to pull the content from all those pages and pull your keywords and rank you for them and put you in front of your customers. So it is really important that you have your pages optimized. In order to beat these guys, you're going to need more content, and you're going to need to work on that keyword strategy. This is a program called Ahrefs. It helps us to understand how your website performs. As you can see, your domain rating, which is your website as a whole, has a rating of a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website. And that is 100% because of referring domains and backlinks. You only have one. And you're going to need a lot of backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you need to make sure that you're going after the high authority backlinks that are related to your industry and are do follow backlinks. And you're going to need more than your top competitors in each of your service areas. Because you don't really have any keywords going in your content, you haven't been indexed for any, and you're not getting any organic traffic to your website. So you're missing out on thousands of potential customers. If we look at your competitor, they have a poor rating of a 0.7, yet they have over 400 backlinks. So what this tells you is that majority of these backlinks are spammy or not related to their industry, or even no follows. So you're going to need not just more backlinks than these guys, but also higher quality than these guys. Because they have more content, they're being indexed for 103 keywords, and they're seeing on average of 128 people per month to their site. Like I said, these guys are missing the boat as well. So they're missing out on quite a bit. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this site is that links to you, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power to rank. And if they are do follows instead of no follows, it will actually share the power of these high ranking sites with you and help you to rank faster. And it's also important to note that these backlinks need to be tied to your keywords so that you can rank your keywords to the first page of Google and be found for your services in each of your service areas. And the last thing I want to mention is this Google Map Pack or Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and for your relative keywords, because 30% of people come directly to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3, you're sending all of those leads to your competition. You don't want that. So in order to be in the top 3, there are a number of factors, but the most important one are citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those and higher quality ones as well than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for each of your service areas and keywords. We really hope you found this video useful and would really like to get your feedback. If you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.